If you need to find an old comment you left on Instagram, here is the fastest and easiest way to find it. Now, for this, we need to open Instagram and tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines in the top right and go to your activity, which is right here. Now, you need to tap comments here and you'll see every comment you have posted on Instagram in one place. From here, you can tap any comment to view it, edit it if it is still editable, or delete it if you no longer want it. You can also use the sort option to arrange your comments from newest to oldest or oldest to newest. And if you're looking for a specific comment, you can filter them by date or even by the account you commented on. It is a super easy way to manage all of your Instagram comments in one place. If you like this video, follow for more quick iPhone and social media tips. Share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.